Wow, Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana Sem TV GH so. What frame Ajua searching him.
NPP penifo, me ka penifo me chair national leadership. Menya report bi. Report no. Say so far no. NDC edomo vigilante groups Akwatia twice. And information so esan chair me say omo prepared to go back there again. And part of the information no is alleged say already no krano. Omo di nyama meka nyama I hope samuti ase into 20 nyama bi akotite. That's a alleged your friends are unconfirmed, but that is the information menya. Omo national organizer. Some share video na online national organizer edi ebinum edi kan call ho. Ena omo asan call ho bio. Within by the end of this week minimum ka say some of them will go back to Akwatia. Nyomu yani nina is in readiness for the by-election. In the NPP penny for mamu fa the by-election for granted. Nya omukoya wa Blake no. Information I mean sa can say one person omukoya worse than that. Worse than that. And the mamu dream say NDC is going to play it safe in Akwatia. Intimate as quickly as possible, no. Some will petition the police service, any the military, whatever is the best institutions are, including the president. Say, this is the information. My picky and intelligence are the party. Ya picky. Say, NDC vigilantes no. Epese omunkoye to trust them wo. Yes, may take things for granted. More when your police for you the police for echo a Blake Manoff. Without even a handcuff. It is a who did to trust some crap. Police ni no original hono. Ni omo bani so no onti mi nyeshi. Ebi no mpese omo ye. Omo best to police for ewo ho, but they will not be armed. A more press conference na interior minister ebe ye no en dada mo. Party penny for e manin dada mo. Say ombe chairman for ni NC. They know them. And mesre me party penny for. Let's take this information very, very seriously because Akwatia might be added again to part of by-elections violence. For NDC, they careless. For now, they careless. No more person say they want to show say they can bulldoze their way. At TT NPP, they can do what they can run us. They can run through the NPP at will. No, after all, then ABC. Until a penny for national executives, wait there. Information menya made betu ja because we enya kukumas and because of plan. I was say your say no more starting shisha no yenim. Enti never we training there party penny for me fro we tre amamu details. Madam say
onye outside the box thinker. Mahama is an empty chaff. Mr. President, yebedi adiama yini na they are not general level no low grade. They are not doing your boka the lowest grade. John Mahama. Because the mistakes are oye and the kamia ye de pamo no. Or tafuya sam kwasi adene nyansa be no osia ye. Woni mu nyansa. Enya didi atem. Nyansa no wonnie John Mahama no woni mu nyansa. Would you be a to energy ministry? Oni panama ya to within doom socken. Wo san bedi ade a wo se san ko na san meye the main minister. Oni mu nyansa. Na enne no me pesa me ne Ghana for kasa kakra fa Endra DC ye ho. Dia Endra ye te ye ne se eye Supreme Court. Ka me hu ye de asem ko High Court wa. The next appellate court is so mediko, and the next court is so mediko. Appeals court. This time the Yankwa appeals court because they see a child in one time, and the Amasupu, and any Supreme Court. Yakotnasia, Akwasiam Pafo and 9B. Woman said John Mahama, and I appointed woman to so John Mahama, Juman Emmanuel. A year tumpolo lawyers bi a won wedidi enkrofo ho konkonsa saa twen ya yanya promotion akopem say Don Mahama be ye president ese sebio obi a wono authority asanteman achem bono the tribe be na kwa win your obi a ode ye constitution na eno na ma Ghana ye Ghana no efa anwem ehuru no poto no obi a otena ne cubicle mu ewo US eka kire Ghana mabunu say yenkwa ne yenkwa hyeden yenkwa hye ayalolo bases na yenkwa so chaos because Don Mahama enwini na what to me age free case ni mu say wonko free na one video am hu ya e break him heart and am ebeken muni Mugabe or NDC fu ni bi why ye adwuma since radio gold time ye wo journalist fo a ya ye adwuma dia ma NDC free tete na so na me ka kire wo omo rent so a wo mo freye no mu bi wa buruchire na ya bro musika de atua rent we NDC ni am no kasa. You keep loving your party. I just want to open your eyes to how foolish you are allowing yourself to be used. What way Sabion Prebiasa? Wo kwaya campaign diama NDC kurenya vote no. So wo bisa gas money and answer sika kakra wo de beto petrol kra na eto da edin ye didi matem. What way wo kra de na wo hia mfimfiri Mahama ho. Wo baby atumi awie school. Yempe baby kakra mfa ne nhye yemfa won hye. Nenso yetumi etweska etwa first class ticket. Utie etwa first class ticket you. Edi ama obi ne nabusua se. Mumbra Ghana na mumbebu Ghana nimtia mo. Mumma Ghana na mummetre ahemfo wa Ghana se wo magimi ampa. Mumbra Ghana na mummetre asofo wa Ghana se wo magimi ampa. Mumbra Ghana na mummetre me Mahama se me yakwasi ampani ampa. Adentia. So wo yo hene na ukowi ade ana wo yo hene nam law chiwa yenka se wo yo hene ntimra ne wundi emra ne wudi. So wo ye sofo na ukodi bone. Na se yehu se we di bone a emra ne chiw. Ye ma special treatment. O ye president na se ukodi bone na emra ne chiwa ye ne wudi. It is what now as a president. What now as NDC ni na se kwasi ampani bi a wono sebio wo ba burochire wantumi amebobra etumi nya these privileges over you e wo bra mo ko ayi sabi ayawaso ya buru masum na wonyina nifa wonyina benkum. Seriously,